This, no, parehas kay Libra, no, be mindful of your decisions, no. So, talagang parang connected lang kasi kayo, no, mga air signs, no. So, be mindful of your decision, no. Siguro may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan regardless sa inyong career right now, no, mga Aquarius. Kaya, sabi dito ay pag-isipan yung mabuti bago kayo magdesisyon. Kailangan alamin nyo muna yung, kasi for some of you, ang air signs kasi, no, ano yan eh, medyo advance mag-isip yan, right? No, so, maybe ay kailangan din dito ay, kumbaga parang, tignan mo muna yung present, no, before jumping dun sa future, right? Kasi ang future, di pa naman nangyayari yan eh. So, tignan mo muna yung present situation kung ano yung makakabuti. Something like that. No? So, maybe that could help for you to make the decision, no? Right? Kasi kung masyado tayong advance mag-isip na hindi pa naman nangyayari, possible na hindi yun mangyayari. Because inuunahan na natin, right? No? So, what else? So, yan, for some of you, no, it's a confirmation, no, for some of you, you are a tarot reader, no, so ito yung career din nyo, no, or maybe this will be the start of a new career for you, mga Aquarius, no, so take what's resonate lang, no, kung sino lang nakaka-relate dito, no, so, yeah, for some of you, no, you are this, no, you have this ability na to read cards, no, mga Aquarius natin dyan, so, it's a confirmation for you na you will be a tarot reader din. No? So, yeah, kung nagkakaroon ka ng interest sa tarot readings, right? No? So, tignan naman natin possible lucky numbers or color for you within this week, no, mga Aquarius natin. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Aquarius, no? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, yeah, let's see what is that cards, no? What are those cards? So, tingnan natin. So, you have 33, no? Angel number 33, no? Again, check nyo sa Google, no? Kung anong message for you ng inyong mga angels, right? Aquarius. So, you also have 39. So, meron na kayong 33 dito, no? Tatlong 3. So, angel number again, no? So, synchronicities talaga ito, mga Aquarius. So, what else? You have this 25, 44, no? Also an angel number. 12, and 59, no? So, yan, no? You are connected sa